At American Factory Wheel, we know that reporting a pothole can be just as annoying as hitting the pothole itself. I'm going to walk you through it so you can get it done and get on with your day. Here we go. Click the Get It Done app. Click on the Submit a New Report. Describe the issue in the description box. Then click the camera icon to take a photo of the pothole. You may also select a photo or photos from your camera roll. Once you've added your photos, click Next. On the Select Service page, select Pothole. On the Important Information page, click Next. On the Location screen, press the three dots on the bottom right-hand side to choose Go to Address or your location to pin the location of the pothole you're reporting, and click Next. On the following screen, describe the exact location and/or cross street. Answer which lane the pothole is in. Choose the direction of travel and click Next. Enter your preferred contact information and click Next. Review your report details and click Submit. You will see a confirmation screen of your report. That should be it. Now you can relax and remember, bad asphalt is not your fault. Save this video in case it ever happens again. And be sure to check out allusedrims.com for a look at our massive inventory of replacement rims.